Garlic is a powerful food. It has been revered for its medicinal properties and culinary uses for thousands of years. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, garlic has always held a special place in our hearts and on our plates. It can boost your health in numerous ways. Garlic is known to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It can help strengthen your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses like colds and flu. Some studies even suggest that garlic can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. It can add flavor to your meals, transforming ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Whether you're making a simple pasta sauce or a complex gourmet dish, garlic can elevate the flavors and make your food taste amazing. Its unique, pungent aroma and taste are unmistakable and irreplaceable in many recipes. Garlic has been used for centuries. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Chinese all recognized the value of garlic. It was used not only as a food ingredient, but also as a remedy for various ailments. Historical records show that garlic was even used as a form of currency and offered to gods in religious rituals. People use it in cooking and medicine. In the kitchen, garlic is a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless recipes, from soups and stews to marinades and dressings. In traditional medicine, garlic has been used to treat a variety of conditions, including infections, digestive issues, and high blood pressure. Garlic is easy to find. You can find fresh garlic bulbs, garlic powder, garlic paste, and even garlic supplements in almost any grocery store. It's a staple ingredient in many households around the world. Garlic is affordable, making it accessible to everyone. Despite its low cost, the benefits it offers are invaluable. Adding garlic to your diet is a simple and cost-effective way to improve your health. It is a healthy addition to any diet. Garlic is low in calories but rich in nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in your body. Garlic has a strong smell. Some people love it, while others don't like it. The sulfur compounds in garlic are responsible for its distinctive odor. These same compounds are also what give garlic its powerful health benefits, but don't let the smell fool you. The health benefits of garlic far outweigh its pungent aroma. Cooking garlic can help mellow its strong flavor and make it more palatable for those who are sensitive to its smell. Garlic is good for you. Whether you consume it fresh, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic can provide numerous health benefits. It can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. Let's learn more about garlic. Coming up, we will delve deeper into the science behind garlic's health benefits and explore various ways to incorporate it into your daily diet. We will explore its benefits in detail. From boosting your immune system to improving cardiovascular health, garlic has a lot to offer. We will also look at some delicious and easy recipes that feature garlic as a star ingredient. We will see how to use it in different culinary applications. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, you'll find plenty of inspiration and tips on how to make the most of this wonder food. Stay tuned to discover the amazing world of garlic. Garlic has been around for a long time. People have used it for over 5,000 years. It was found in ancient Egyptian tombs. This shows how important it was. Ancient cultures used garlic for many things. They used it in food and medicine. They even thought it had magical powers. Garlic was a valuable commodity. People used it as currency. They traded it for other goods. Today, garlic is still popular. People all over the world use it. It's a testament to its versatility. Garlic contains a special compound. It's called allicin. Allicin is what gives garlic its strong smell. It is also responsible for many health benefits. When you crush garlic, allicin is released. This is why crushed garlic is more potent. It has more allicin available. Allicin is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your body. They fight against harmful substances. Scientists are still studying garlic. They are discovering new benefits all the time. Garlic is a natural immune booster. It can help your body fight off infections. This is due to allicin and other compounds. Studies show garlic can reduce colds. It can also shorten their duration. If you feel a cold coming on, eat some garlic. Garlic can also fight bacteria. It can even combat some antibiotic-resistant bacteria. This makes it a valuable tool for health. Remember, garlic is not a replacement for medicine, but it can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Heart Health Hero. Garlic's cardiovascular benefits. Garlic is good for your heart. It can help lower blood pressure. It can reduce bad cholesterol levels. Garlic helps improve blood flow. It prevents blood clots. This reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Some studies suggest garlic can reduce atherosclerosis. This is the hardening of the arteries. It is a major risk factor for heart disease. If you have heart concerns, talk to your doctor. They can advise you on garlic and your health. Garlic in the kitchen. Tips and tricks for delicious dishes. Garlic is a kitchen staple. It adds flavor to countless dishes. It can be used in many different ways. You can roast garlic whole. You can mince it into sauces. You can even add it to soups and stews. When cooking with garlic, remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount. You can always add more later. Experiment with garlic in your cooking. You might be surprised by how much you enjoy it. From garden to table. Growing your own garlic. Did you know you can grow your own garlic? It's easier than you think. It's rewarding to use garlic you grew yourself. Garlic needs well-drained soil and plenty of sun. Plant cloves in the fall. Harvest in the summer when the tops turn brown. Growing your own garlic is a fun project. It's a great way to get fresh, organic garlic. Imagine the taste of your own homegrown garlic. Garlic. A versatile ingredient in global cuisines. Garlic is used in cuisines worldwide. It adds depth and aroma to many dishes. Each culture has its own way of using garlic. In Italian food, garlic is often sautéed with olive oil. This creates a flavorful base for sauces. In Indian cuisine, garlic is used in curries and masalas. It adds a warm, pungent flavor. Garlic is a universal ingredient. It brings people together through shared culinary experiences. Try dishes with garlic from different cultures. You'll discover new flavors and traditions. Garlic beyond the kitchen. Other uses and benefits. Garlic, a staple in many kitchens around the world, is known for its strong flavor and numerous health benefits. But did you know that garlic has a multitude of uses beyond just cooking? We will explore the various surprising and beneficial applications of garlic outside the culinary realm. Garlic is useful beyond the kitchen. Its potent properties make it a versatile tool in many aspects of daily life. From health remedies to household solutions, garlic's uses are as diverse as they are effective. It has other surprising applications. For instance, garlic can be found in some unexpected places like bathrooms and gardens, where it serves purposes you might not have considered before. It can be used for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to combat various types of bacteria and fungi. This makes it a popular ingredient in natural ointments and sprays designed to treat skin conditions and infections. Some people use garlic to repel insects. Its strong smell and natural compounds make it an effective, eco-friendly insect repellent. Gardeners often use garlic to protect their plants from pests without resorting to chemical pesticides. They make garlic sprays for their gardens. These homemade sprays are easy to prepare and can be a safe alternative to commercial insecticides. Simply blend garlic with water and a few drops of dish soap, and you have a natural pest control solution. Garlic can also be used in homemade cleaning products. Its antibacterial properties make it an excellent addition to natural cleaning solutions. You can create a garlic-infused cleaner by soaking garlic cloves in vinegar, which can then be used to disinfect surfaces around your home. Garlic is a natural deodorizer. Its strong scent can help neutralize unpleasant odors. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or refrigerator, garlic can be used to keep your home smelling fresh. It can be used to neutralize odors. For example, placing a few garlic cloves in your refrigerator can help absorb and eliminate strong food smells, keeping your fridge odor-free. Some people even use garlic to treat acne. Its antibacterial properties can help reduce the bacteria that cause acne, while its anti-inflammatory effects can help soothe irritated skin. However, it's important to use garlic carefully on the skin to avoid irritation. While many people swear by garlic's various applications, scientific studies are still ongoing to fully understand and validate these benefits. Always consult with a professional before trying home remedies. It's crucial to ensure that any natural remedy, including those involving garlic, is safe and appropriate for your specific health needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help you make informed decisions and avoid potential risks. A word of caution: garlic and potential side effects. Garlic is generally safe to consume. However, some people may experience side effects. This is more likely with high doses. Garlic can cause bad breath. It can also lead to body odor. Some people may experience heartburn or upset stomach. If you are on blood thinners, talk to your doctor. Garlic can interact with these medications. Moderation is key. Enjoy garlic as part of a balanced diet. Embrace the power of garlic. Garlic, often referred to as the stinking rose, has been cherished for centuries, not just for its robust flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Garlic is more than just a simple ingredient. It's a culinary powerhouse that can transform any dish from ordinary to extraordinary. It's a powerful food with many benefits. From boosting the immune system to reducing blood pressure, garlic's medicinal properties are well documented. It can boost your health and enhance your meals. Whether you prefer it raw, roasted, or in supplement form, incorporating garlic into your daily routine can be a game changer. Incorporate garlic into your diet. Start with simple additions like sprinkling minced garlic on your salads or mixing it into your favorite sauces. Experiment with different ways to use it. Try new recipes that highlight garlic as the star ingredient, such as garlic-infused oils, garlic butter, or even garlic ice cream for the adventurous. Enjoy the flavor and health benefits it offers. Garlic not only adds a delightful depth of flavor to your meals, but also provides a host of health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only. While garlic is beneficial, it's important to understand that it should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always seek professional medical advice before making significant changes to your diet or health regimen. Consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us create more content that educates and inspires. Help us spread the word about the power of garlic. Share this video with friends and family, and let's celebrate the incredible benefits of this humble yet mighty ingredient together.